Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert number to words to spell them out, to have the full amount in words for any kind of amount in Excel. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and I'm going to give you the file that allows to do this. You can download it right below. There's going to be a link so you can download it and follow with me. So here I have $45.20. I'd like to write it as text, so I'd like really to have 45, etc., etc. So what I'm going to do, there's no functions natively to do this in Excel. You need to define it yourself and to build it in VBA. So hopefully it's very frequent questions. So Microsoft gave away a macro that does it already. So I'm gonna give you the link for the macro, but you can just copy it, and it's gonna be called spell number, and then you can use this function spell number. So to use it, you're going to do Alt F11 to go into the VBA editor. You're going to create a new, so I did it already, but you're gonna insert a new module, and then you're gonna paste the code here. So it's gonna give you a module like this one with some code which defines the function spell number. So I'm not going to go through the whole process of the function because it's some very complicated code, but just going to show you how it works, and you can do the examples with me. The file is right below the video if you want it. So I'm going to close the VBA editor, and so now I can just use the function spell number. So each time you want to use this formula, you gotta have the code that I pasted before in the spreadsheet, otherwise the formula won't work. But then you take spell number of your value, and it will write the full amount in dollars. Fully spelled out. So this is really helpful if you have like invoices, checks, I don't know, whatever, and you need the full amount written in words. So we're going to check if it works for some other amounts. I'm gonna put something random here. I'm gonna check for 30 million. I'm gonna put that in amounts each time. 30 million, and compute the text in dollars. $30 million and no cents, and no cents. So the thing is, each time it gives you the amount in dollars and in cents. What you can do, if you don't want to work with dollar and cents, you can just make another formula and remove the dollars. You know, you're gonna match for the dollars and replace them by an empty string. Same for the cents. You can probably look for the end word in the result and remove everything that's after end, so that won't display the amount in cents. Maybe let's try for 20 billion. See how it works. Does it work for billion? Yes, it does. So yeah, so very handy function, works for any kind of amount, and allows you to write any amount into full text. So don't forget to download the file. This way you can reuse the spell number function. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you'll be notified as soon as I publish it. See you tomorrow, champions. Ciao.